guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share and talk about my Friday videos. My Friday videos are going to be kitchen related, whether that's cooking, cleaning, organizing, meal prep, sharing recipes, sharing what we have for dinners, sharing what we have for what I eat for breakfasts, snacks, kids' lunches, kids' daycare lunches, all sorts of stuff. So I wanted to dedicate a day for the kitchen videos because there are plenty to share. So just to kind of give you an overview of what my type of eating is, we primarily eat clean. So which that means, if you are not familiar, is that most of the food is prepared from scratch. I would probably say about 80-20. 80% of it is made from scratch. Of course, we eat out. We're a busy family. Once in a while, I will buy certain things that are pre-packaged, but mostly most of my food, like, I don't cook out of the box unless it's like rice or sometimes macaroni or pasta. I do make my own pasta as well, but just to give you a bit of an idea as to how I cook. I also, my husband eats low carb and I eat everything. I do try to eat lower carb, but I do eat carbs. So, and then I have two children that are 15 and 16, and they eat everything as well. So, a lot of the meals are going to be prepared to accommodate all of the dietary needs that we have. And on top of that, I also run a home daycare, so I will be sharing a lot of lunch ideas that I serve children for daycare as well. And I usually try, well, obviously those to be healthy. So speaking of meal planning and meal planning mostly, so make sure you watch this towards the end, because I am going to be sharing a little DIY how I made my meal planning binder for the year. So make sure you stay tuned. After I'm done talking, I will be posting the DIY. So like I said, this Friday video will consist all kitchen related stuff. So if I am organizing the kitchen or doing a clean in the kitchen, cooking clean with me type of videos, they will be on Fridays, not on Monday cleaning videos. On Mondays they'll be all just cleaning and organizing the rest of the house, but Friday is dedicated to the kitchen. So I hope you'll enjoy these videos of my Friday videos. I hope you find them inspirational, useful, and enjoy watching them. So stay tuned. I will be sharing the DIY now. So here are all the supplies that I will be using to set up my menu planner for the year. So I have some cardstock, some decorations from my old planners, some file folders. I've printed out all the menu planning sheets for the week and the month, laminating sheets. I also have old planner rings that I will be reusing, some glue, Create 365 Happy Planner punch, and a trimmer. So here it is, all done. I had some logistical problems with my batteries dying on both of my cameras. And so I laminated it. The front is here, and then when you open it, we have the monthly meal plan followed by the weekly meal plans, and then I have 4 weekly meal plans, one after another, and then a monthly meal plan again to begin. So this is where I'm going to be keeping all my monthly and weekly meal plans, and then I'm going to be transferring some from the weekly meal plan, just the dinners, into the little post-it that I have in my pantry, which I will show you here. And then I'm going to, but this way it's all kind of staying together. I was thinking about buying a new planner, but none of it fit to what I was looking for, so I decided to make my own. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new, first time at my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and press that notification button so you don't miss out any of the videos that I post. And for all of you returning, thank you so much for watching. I wouldn't be here without you. And again, until next time, have a wonderful day.